How to fix TikTok community guidelines violation message. Now to fix this issue, you must submit an official appeal. Now to appeal this specific violation, open your app and go to the inbox section and tap on system notifications. Now from here, tap on account updates. You will see your community violation message right over here and choose community guideline violations. And once you tap on that, scroll down and tap on disagree. There will be a section called disagree and simply select your region. And after that, tap on submit appeal. And after review from the team, if you haven't broken the community guidelines, your account will be completely safe. However, if you see the violation warning messages but your account check says you are in good standing, it might be a temporary app bug. To fix that, long press on your application and tap on app info and simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on it. From here, simply tap on clear cache. Then head back and tap on first up at the end and tap on OK. You can also try updating the app from the Play Store and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.